Hi y'all, it is Regina from Marsh Knitting 101. Welcome in my yarny and crafty friends. Welcome in my new family members and returning family members. Hopefully everyone is having a fantastic day. It is Thursday, I'm assuming, something day. Like the 27th, I think. So I am jumping on real quick to show you some finished projects that I finished working on. And I am trying to upload a video that I recorded last week. For some reason, my video editor kept saying I was offline, but I was online. So I'm going to try to just email it to me and upload it from my phone. So it might take a little bit longer. So keep an eye out for that video. It talks more into what I've been doing and working on. But I'm going to show you my project. But first, I got my coffee. I got ice water because it's going to be a hot day. I'm sitting outside enjoying the weather. What are you guys currently working on? Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know. And what the weather is in your neck of the woods. And if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to me. It's free. Everyone likes free stuff. Alright. So here we go. So I've been learning to crochet. So the first thing I've been working on is this afghan that I'm working on for my mother-in-law. So this is 2 balls of yarn. So I've definitely got to get some more yarn. I got 1 more to go. So yeah, I need about 4, probably 4 or 5 more to finish this up to make it like a nice little cover-up blanket, flat blanket. That is that. I want to show you my crochet stuff. So I've learned to do a granny-ish square. I still little boo-boo there, but this is the sunburst granny square. I think I was talking here and forgot what I was doing, but this is my first attempt. So I think it turned out really cute. So yay, I'm excited. And crocheting is so much fun. I'm happy that I crossed over. I still knit. I'm knitting a lot of afghans right now and getting ready to go through my yarn and start working on sweaters to get ready for Halloween. I have a couple I'm going to do for Halloween, but that's on another, I'll do another video on this. So this is my granny square. I love these colors. So cute. And then if you guys haven't seen, I did crochet my first turtle. Myrtle the turtle. His eyes are a little off, and I need to sew his head on. But here's my turtle. This was really fun and easy to do after I watched a couple videos. I still yet don't know how to read crochet patterns, but I'm learning how to read the abbreviations for chain, single, double, triple. And here is my one-eye monster that I just finished the other day. This is all in 4-weight yarn and my little safety eye. That's his eyeball. I think I need it up a little bit farther, but that is my little monster. And then I just cast this on last night and finished it this morning. My first little succulent plant. So this is so cute. And this is so fun. Like, just to make little things. This is so cute. So I'm working on nothing right now. I haven't figured out what I want to do next. I think I might either do a gnome. I kind of want to do like a jellyfish maybe. And go from there. So there's that. So that is what I was currently working in my finished projects for Thursday. I did this last week. And then I did these this week. So I think I've got it. I'm learning. I just watched tutorials for left-handed people, and I'm, there's some stuffing, ready to rock and roll and do some more. So yay, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and you can see it. I didn't think because of the sun being out and me under the umbrella that it was shiny. Sorry, I'm yawning. I've been outside for a while, so it makes it warm, makes you sleepy. But yeah, that is what I'm currently working. Hopefully you guys all enjoy this. I will link the video of where I learned these. She has left and right-handed tutorials if you guys want to venture out and try to make some. Simple crochets. I think it's the single and a triple, treble, double, whatever. Everyone, it's different terms. Wee Wee Monster's so cute. I just realized I forgot to put his tongue on. So yeah, and my little succulent plant. So if you guys have any ideas of what I should maybe start working on next, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know. And keep an eye out and see what else I make. Until next time, have a wonderful day. And don't forget, rock yarn. Bye, y'all.